Hello friends, welcome to Stay Fit. In this video, we are going to see what are the foods you should avoid taking during night time. According to Ayurveda, the night meal is the one thing that you should need to be very careful about it. Since it is the last meal of the day, it is very important to have it at the correct time. It is equally important to make the right choice of the food. The last part of the day is dominated by kapha, and thus whatever food you must eat should be able to balance kapha and not increase it. There are few foods you must avoid eating at night since they create an imbalance in the kapha dosha. The foods like junk food, oily food, non-vegetarian items, frozen food, heavy to digest food, curd and ice cream are the few things that you must avoid eating during the night time. Even if you eat them, try to have them in a less or limited quantities. Now, let us see what are the foods you should take during the night time. According to Ayurveda, it is suggested to eat food that is easy to digest at night. Also, try to eat a healthy and low carb diet as it gets easily digested. If you have the habit of eating curd at night, replace it with buttermilk. Prefer chapatis over rice since chapatis are easy and quicker to digest. Do not overstuff yourself, eat in limited quantities. Try to include more of dal, green leafy vegetables, curry leaves and a small amount of ginger in your meal. Salt is supposed to increase the water retention in the body, hence it is better to cut down the intake of salt. Spices on other hand increases warmth in your body, so try to include more spices in your food. Reduce the sugar intake and replace it with honey as it helps in reducing the mucus. If you have the habit of drinking milk before you sleep, prefer a low fat milk. Always boil the milk before you drink it. This makes it easier to digest. You can also add small amount of ginger or cardamom to the boil of the milk, which helps in reducing the mucus generating properties. Do not drink cold milk. Have it while it is still warm. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Stay fit, stay healthy.